Hari Om students, welcome back to today's online session topic force and pressure. In previous class what we have to discuss? In previous class we have to discuss about the force, and force is a push or pull of an object. So what is push and pull and difference between push and pull and of an objects and direction and magnitude of forces. So in the direction and magnitude of forces we have to recall that same direction and opposite direction. So when the two forces are applied in the same direction and when the two forces are applied in the opposite direction. But in this class we have to discuss about the effects of forces. What are the topics to be covered in this lesson? The topics to be covered in this lesson: effects of forces. So in that effects of forces, force can change the state of motion and force can change the shape of an object. So effects of force are two types. So what is the first one? Force can change the state of motion and force can change the shape of an object. So first we have to discuss about the effects of forces. In previous class we have discussed about the force. So what is the force? Push or pull of an object. Effects of force. So what is the effects of force? What is the effects of force? So for example here, force is a push or pull of an object is called a force. So the force comes into play due to interaction between. So what are the two cases? In the interaction of an object with another result in the force between two objects. So what is that two types of effects of forces? The first one is it can change the state of rest or motion of the body. And second case, it can change the size or shape of the body. So what is the first case? It can change the state of motion of the body, and second case is it can change the size or shape of the body. So in what are the examples of, so we have to imagine in our daily life. So what is the change or state? I mean change of motion of the body. So when we have to, the object is moving, so we have to apply some force in that the object is moving. For example here in this first image, force changes the state of motion of tire. So this is the tire makes it move faster. So we have to apply more force in the tire. So we have to apply more force in the tire. So the tire makes it to move very faster. So how it will be faster? It depends upon your force. And in second image, the box at rest, so moves due to force. So here now the box is rest. So here the person is applying some force. Here the person is pulling or pushing? Pulling, not pushing. So here the person is applying some force. So then the box will be moved. So that is known about the change the state of motion of the body. So if the box is moving, the position will be changing. Here the tire is moving, the position will be changing. So that is known about the change the state of motion of the body. So that is related to the effects of force. And in second case, it can change the size or shape of the body. For example, in first one you know that in your mother also preparing like that only. So here your mother, for example, your mother is applied some force on hands on the duff, changes the shape. It changes the shape. Is it correct? No. So we have to add some water and we have to applied some force and duff. The changes, the shape will be the shape will be the changes, I mean the changes its shape. For example, this is one of the example. And second example, the force changes the size of the rubber band. So if you apply, so if you elaborate means the size, the changes will be, the rubber band size will be different, I mean change the rubber band size. So that is the two effects of the forces. Let us discuss another example about effects of forces. So here see this in first image and second image. So consider a thin rubber balloon. So first image, consider we have to take a thin rubber balloon And second image, so balloon, blow air into it, the shape changes, then tie it open and with thread. So now press the air filled balloon again, the shape changes. So this is due to effects of force. So what is the difference in first image, in second image? So in first image, the change in between the two balloons. So in first, so here what is the change will be there? So this is the rubber balloon. So when you blow air into it in that rubber balloon, so the some changes, the shape will be there. The some changes will be. So what is the changes here? Shape, the shape of the balloon. So that is the one of the effects of force. Let us the another example. So consider a thin rubber balloon and blow in air into it. So thin rubber balloon, blow air into it. The shape changes, is it correct? Yes. Then tie it open and with a thread. Tie it open and with a thread. Now press the air filled balloon. So now press this balloon. So see this. Now the child is pressed that balloon. Again the shape changes. So again if you press, so try this activity in your home. So you have balloons, no? So first we have to take that one balloon, rubber balloon. So you have to blow air into that and then tie its open with the thread. So you have to tie, then tie its bell open and thread with the, so here we have to tie that one. And now press the air filled balloon again. So we have to press that balloon, means the shape changes. So what is the changes? The size of the shape of the balloon will be changes. So this is due to effects of force. And another example of effects of force, when you play a football, the football is kept in the center of the field. When you kick it, it moves towards the given direction. When you kick it, it moves the given direction. So what is the change here? Here shape or direction or size. Here what is the change? Here state of motion. What is the change here? The force can change the state of motion. In second case, similarly, in the kitchen, your mother makes the balls from dough and rolls them into chapatis or puris. In this case, she is applying force to make them flat. Is it correct? No. She is applying force to make them flat. So in before the rolls and after chapatis, so some changes will be there. What is the change here? If you apply force, change the shape of an object. So this is also related to the effects of forces. So this is known about another example of effects of forces. Let us try to discuss about the force can change the state of motion or force can change the shape of an object. In first case, force can change the state of motion. First case, force can change the state of motion. So let us discuss about the force can change the state of motion. So do you know what is motion? In before class, we know that we are learned in earlier classes, motion is nothing but a movement of an object. But here, an object can be in two states. An object can be in two states. So what is that two states? Rest state and motion state. Rest and motion. So what is rest and what is motion? So rest is nothing but when an object is not moving. So it is the object does not move from one place to another place. It is known as the rest. This means a stationary object is called in the state of rest. So we have to call that stationary objects. So tell me students, what are the stationary objects? What are the stationary objects? So what are the object does not, for example, hospitals, schools, okay? So electric poles, trees, so these are all the stationary objects. So why we have to call these are all the stationary objects? Because the object does not move from one place to another place. You know that daily in our daily life activities, in your experience, we have to see so much of rest objects and motion objects. So in this one, for example, a ball and book kept over the ground, and so it is moving. So if you kept a book in that ground, the book is moving without force? No. So it is a rest. What is the motion? So moving object is called in the state of motion. So moving object is called the state of motion. So for example, a dog is moving, a cat is moving, a cow is moving, so human beings is moving. Okay, so these are the motion. Okay, you know that in real life where we have to apply in motion and rest. And moving a car, moving a balls, moving a vehicles, whatever is moving. So I mean, so moving vehicles and some rest positions and some in motion position. So let us discuss. A force can change the state of motion. A force can move a stationary objects. For example, a force can speed up, decrease the speed and change the direction of moving object. For example, a force can stop a moving object. Finally, we can say that force can change the state of motion. So for example, some example. So here a boy. So a boy want to move a tire faster, it has to be pushed repeatedly. For example, the boy is the tire fast here onwards, here to the tire is moving here to here. So here to here what is the change? Here change the force can change the where he applied force. The boy is applied force on the tire. And here the force can change the state of motion. So motion is nothing but a moving. So here the object is the moving object. Here the tire is moving here to here. The tire is moving here to here. So that is the force can change the state of motion. And second one, change in the direction of move. I mean in second one. So in the cricket game. So in the cricket game, the batsman can push a. So this is push a fast moving ball in the same direction and opposite direction. Or change the direction of movement of the ball? No, because the force being applied from his bat. Because the force is applying, so in the bat. What is the reason? Because the force being applied from his bat. So here the ball changes the direction, moves away from the batter. So this is the another examples. The force can change the state of motion. I hope you all have understood about the force can change the state of motion. And let us another activity. So this is only a simple thing. A ball is at rest. I mean here see this image. Here the change in the direction of moving ball after you have to strike. I mean so for example in football game, a goalkeeper stops the football going towards the goal by applying a force of his hand. So here the change in the direction. So what is the here also the hand here applying some force on that ball. Here the ball is moving from away. So in second one here this is the roller. In that one change in the direction of moving ball after it strikes the roller placed in the path. So this is the direction. Change the direction of the ball. So that is known about the force can change the state of motion. So finally the object will be change the motion. State of motion. Change the motion. So how the object is can change the state of motion? Because of force. And second one, force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. So how when the force can change the shape of an object? So when you apply force on it in inflated balloon, for example when you apply force on it inflated balloon by pressing it using your hand from both sides, then the force of pressure changes the shape of balloon. In before only we have to discuss about the effects of force in second example I think. So we have to apply we have to blow air in that balloon. We have to pressing that balloon. So what with your hand. So what happened? The changes shape of the balloon. So that change the shape of an object. And you can also change the shape of duff into bread by applying force with the rolling pin. And so here stretching a rubber band. Here also see these some images. Stretching a rubber band, pressing a sponge. So if you see that if you stretching a rubber band, the change how it will be changed the shape? Because we have to apply some force. Here also the hand is apply some force on that sponge. We have to press a sponge, so the shape will be changed. And squeeze a spring. Spring also we have to apply some force on that. Squeeze a spring. The spring also change the shape. And here after, so what is that? Here also they change the angles also change the shape. And so like that. So before and after. So before and after. Before and after. So before the bands, the rubber bands like that here. After we have to apply this rubber band. And then what happens? The rubber band change the shape. Change the shape of an object. So this in before the sponge. After we have to apply that force on that sponge. So we have to press that sponge means the sponge shape will be changed. And here in before that spring, and after we have to apply that spring, force on that spring. So the spring shape will be changes. So I hope you all have understood this force can change the state of motion, and force can change the shape of an object. So we can say that forces can change the shape of an object. Finally, what we have to say? So we can say that forces can change the shape of an object. And so do this activity, do this assignment in your homework notes. Studying the effects of force on objects. Studying effects of force and objects. So what are the effects of force? Change in the state of motion and change in the shape of an object. So here we have to yes or no. So what is the situation here? A lamp of duff on plate. Here pressing it down with your hands. In this, see this in diagram. So here change in the state of motion? No. So it is change in the shape of an object. And second one, springing fixed to the seat of a bicycle by sitting on the seat. So this is by sitting on the seat. Here change the motion? No. Change in the shape. So what is there? The sitting on the bicycle, the springs will be changes. The springs will be changes. So here sitting means it will be pressure on the springs. So the change the shape of the springs. In third case, in third situation, a rubber band suspended from a hook nail fixed on a wall. So for example, by hanging a weight or by pulling it's free. So here also we have to change the shape of the object. And here a plastic or metal scale placed between two bricks. Here by putting the weight at the center of the scale, here also they change the shape of an object. So that is known about the effects of force on the object. So now what is the homework for you? So you have to do the change the state of motion. So where we have to apply the force to change the shape of, to change the state of motion. Do that one. Summary. Let us summarize what we have to learn in this topic. So what we have to learn? Force, effects of force. So what are the effects of force? Force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the state of an motion. So force can change the shape of an object. What is the move an object from one position of rest? Change the direction of the body into the other speed of the moving object. And so the force acting. So here the force acting on the object may cause a change in the state of motion or a change in shape. And the force or an object may change its shape. So effects of force. So there are two effects of force, and force can change the state of motion and force can change the shape of an object. So these are only two. I hope you all have understood about the effects of forces and with relative examples. And force can change the state of motion and force can change the shape of an object. So let us try to think about the how in our daily life. So what are the where we have to use the force to change the state of motion, and at the same time where we have to force the change the shape of an object. So once we have to imagine and think about in our daily life situations. Hari Om students, I hope you all have understood in this lesson. Hari Om students, thank you.